Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a poll in WhatsApp. If you want to create a poll in WhatsApp so that you can have quick feedbacks from your friends or group chats, go ahead and launch open the app on your mobile device first. From the main chat screen, tap the chat or group where you want to create the poll. Now go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the plus icon at the bottom left. Click on poll in the expanded menu. Type the poll question you want to ask in the first tab. Make sure to keep it short and clear. Now, after typing down the question, go to add option text box and then add at least 2 choices for the question. You can go ahead and add multiple options. Here you can add up to 12 options or choices, and after you are done, click on send at the top right corner. Your poll is now live and participants can vote instantly. You can also see who voted and what they picked in real time. The polls are available for individual chats, group chats, and even in broadcast lists. So that's how you can easily create a poll in WhatsApp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.